Get ready with me as T-minus 0 and I can tell you oh my god I got you go you don't tell you know what, even on the days when I have woken up early I'm coming back from work. Saka's performing at 4. Okay, why? I remember like people guys. Like so in story. I never know that. So get ready with me to go see Asha. T-minus 0 and I can tell you what if I said I'm going to and negative mana what if I'm going staging is it doing mana if it doing problem what if but love them. So after all that stress of maneuvering traffic, trying to find parking because it was so packed, we finally got in. I missed a few local artist performances because of the traffic and also the long lines that we had to wait on before getting our drinks. But I wasn't mad because Ashake performed an hour, if not an hour, 30 minutes later after I arrived. So I was literally not mad. The person I was there to see performed when I got there, and that's all I needed to happen. Stop working a quality vlog which he said. I'm not a sad person. I don't know what's this. At first I thought I cried too much, and then I thought it's a pimple, and then I thought it would go away in a day or two, but then it got worse. It got itchy, the eye drops stopped working. I went to the doctor. I think the ointment that was prescribed was out of stock in the whole province, and the only other option I had was to Google herbal options or like DIY medicine, and coconut oil popped up. I used it, I rubbed it around that little thing, and eventually the pus came out. It wasn't painful when the pus was coming out, and it started healing, so coconut oil is the girl she thinks she is. That's a jumpy sanger. Learn, I can't even tell langer. Cause can be langer. Give for the lechum. That's my. The lighting in here is so perfect. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll show you how we're supposed to feel when we meet. I'm in my nasty era, so excuse moi. Everything and anything is sexy, including me, the food I'm eating. Like, wow. Is that not so actually, right? I think I'm at the peak. No, I'm getting to the peak of self-love. I am getting there, getting to where I love myself so much. I wouldn't talk idea. I'm cheating right now, and I won't even take you serious because what do you mean I'm not hot? What do you mean I'm not smart? What do you mean I'm not captivating? What do you mean? Like, I'm having. I'm trying to get me. I get to hit up here. Yeah. Sabrina Claudio is so sexy. I just don't like light-skinned men. You're not my type. So come a light-skinned man. Kiss me on the forehead. Say the only man I need is Mr. Rendela in my bank account. Federa guys, I have a very exciting bargain discovery to share with you. I'm gonna wiki aga ipila bang. British can I live a install election a whole week? Yes, me. I know I sweat a lot. Yes. I sweat a lot. I remember I sweat a lot. But this glue, Kia Bling Girl, it was like 30 rands. I bought it just before the funeral. And velo maybe go funeral because I was in a rush and I didn't let it dry. I said in now that I figure really out. This whole week, I'm not gonna shower. He ke jwa ke melta gape ke tsena ka ra shawara he ke jwa ke melta gape ke tsena ka ra shawara he ke jwa faka melting band, and here we are. So nje I love it, this glue. I figured out myself. Marian's belt kairata ya Sabrina Claudia, please play it on my birthday. That's little lang surprise party ne ngalaboga. I always get shy to play music when I'm with people because oh, you listen to this? Oh, you're so young, you listen to this? Oh, you're so old, you listen to this? Bitch, it's just music. Azanga about it if Azanga tells you well, or I dedicated to Mutuelo Horasa Leo. Amara Majelo Rusitler Salaba Bagnalio. Hi, copyright. It's a name, but like a breakup. My God, I got a boot, you don't tell. This is better, really, will see all. Really, will song. Problem good. So, can I lead the high standards? So, Marino Lagato Motelana. I won't know more. It's like I food. I'm going to go on a della bag. Because it's all about a dodgy legit, but never saw to move the deal. Question tell you where Namaga is. I'm tell like Nebula Kilmanyanam Pedoco Bahuler get a bunch of why. Why Barry? Usually, but I don't stay away. Publishman was another dropping Bamba. Mother table now, do you little dynamite? They come in small packages. When they pass, everyone dies. I'm not telling no. I have a story for another story. I'm not appealing. Manana the moral, Elena maybe 100. Another pretend for no. Now I know I can't pretend for that long, so from my side, we're getting ready. I'm also thinking about wearing this top. Like I want to give it, but getting ready, I always start with my hair because I feel like it's the messiest, you know. So once I do my hair and I clean up, then I do my makeup and she's get bed. Okay, wait, I start with my outfit and then I do my hair and then I do my makeup because the outfit is the main theme, and then hair hair complements the outfit, and then makeup, I trust myself, and I always say, well, my face is forever, my face cut never declines. So even if my makeup flops, I know if everything else is in order, then it's just gonna complement, and then you probably even won't notice or makeup. It's Valentine's, happy Valentine's Day. Get ready with me as a single lady. I guess next week jingle and until no moves. Salanjaja grilling. Come julang rawela. Salina kuno like this is outfit one. I can show. It's cute. It give a classy but with style, but also it might be giving funeral. Like, okay. No, I think I like this more. I have to carry maybe a white bag or a pink. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm ready to be out of here. My cousin is definitely saying, "Ugh, this bitch." I told her an hour ago that I'm almost done. So now I'm done. I'm about to get on the road. I'm having Valentine's lunch, dinner. God knows what it can turn into with my cousin in Pretoria. Because, you know what? I want to breathe fresh air. I want to see new people. I go there because I feel new. I feel like I'm the new girl. So people are excited to see me and I'm excited to meet people. Going around here feels like, man, I've been around the block. I'm actually thinking about moving. Just for a fresh start, for a, you know. But okay, I'm on time. I don't want to be late. That's on my aim. Happy Valley. How you like my hairstyle? Can I call me the queen of soft light? Because, I mean, doesn't that look like my second skin? Okay. I am on my way to Cousin Ibu's play. She's the Minister of Entertainment, so it's only fair for me to be on my way to her place again. Guys are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I'm also using natural air to dry my face because if you don't dry your makeup, that's why it doesn't last. It's gonna crease. I'm talking from experience but because I'm a makeup artist, obviously I'm gonna fix it and you won't notice. I'm just telling you about it. The tip to making your makeup last is making sure it fully dries. Catch you guys later. And thanks to impulsive decision making, we couldn't get at the table for that day because we decided to book on that day, the 14th. Obviously it was packed, so we had to get a second option. Roko Mamas had this big pan that I saw on TikTok. Took my cousin there to try it. Oh my god, the food was so yummy, so filling. Finished it right there and then because we were so hungry, and the weather changed on us later on, so we decided to call it a night and just go home to sleep. If you're watching till this far, thank you so much, honey. See you on our next catch up session.